So my Callaloo lovers and Callaloo farmers, did you know you can just stick the Callaloo there into the soil and it will grow? Check that out. Yeah, I did not know that. Look at that. You stick it and it will grow. Wow. Every day you live and you learn, right? Yeah, you live and you learn. That's Callaloo. Callaloo right there. And here's another. That's Callaloo grown from the stick or the stem. Callaloo stem. Here's another. So don't throw away your Callaloo stems. Yeah. Life Lesson 101. This is your Monday Meds, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching, keep farming.